Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Utiofon. In today's video I want to show you how to make Editan soup. So these are my ingredients. So right now I'm in Akwa Ibom, so I'm going to show you how they make Editan in Akwa Ibom. So I'm going to introduce all the ingredients. So here I have my Editan, it's sliced already but it's not yet washed. So this one I'm going to wash it with hot water. So they will boil hot water, I will put it inside, so I will wash it so that the bitterness will go off. So I have my fish, this is catfish, the dry one. I have my crayfish with pepper, which I grind it, I mix it together, I grind it. I have my Maggi. Then this is what they call periwinkle. So this is what we call mfi in my place, but the Igbo people call it isam. So here I have my meat, it's seasoning already. I added black pepper, salt and Maggi in this, and onion. So here are this is my red oil, and this is my water leaf. So we are going to use this water leaf, and this is my salt. So this is all I'm going to be using on this video. So if you know you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to help someone, and let me know how you make your own Editan soup. So let's get started now. So this is how my mom is washing the Editan. As you can see, they put hot water. So they are going to wash and remove those bitterness out. So right now I'm going to add my water leaf in my pot, as you can see. So right now my mom is adding Maggi. So we're adding 6 pieces of Maggi. So she will add the crayfish and pepper. So now she's adding the meat. So right now she's gonna add oil, red oil. So right now I'm going to add my dry fish. This is the catfish, dry one. So I'm going to cover it for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So right now I'm going to add a little water to it. Now I'm going to add periwinkle to it. This is what we call mfi. This is mfi. Igbo people, they call it isam. So as you can see, this house smells very good. My God. So once you put this periwinkle, you don't need to stir your food, I mean the soup. So you just let it to cook first before you can mix it together. So now I'm going to cover it for another 10 minutes. Right now I'm going to put the Editan inside my soup. As you can see, this Editan look like AFANG. If you've not tested Editan before, I will advise you to just get Editan if you are in Nigeria. Or I am not sure if they sell this in African shops, so I'm not really sure about it. So this is fresh Editan. This soup is smelling nice. It's going to taste so delicious, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, this is the end result of my video. You see how this soup came out, very nice, beautiful and delicious. See how this soup is very green. My goodness, this is fresh Editan soup. As you can see, this is very nice. Thank you so much for watching. So subscribe, share this video and comment. Let's know how you make your own Editan soup. Oh my god, this soup is wow. Did you see that? Take a look at it. So share this video, like, comment, share it to family, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you and bye for now.